ವಿಕಸಿತ ಭಾರತವಾಗಲು ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡುವ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಹಣಕಾಸು ಸಚಿವೆ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಸೀತಾರಾಮನ್ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವರು ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿನಯ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಸ್ಮರಣಾರ್ಥ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಭಾರತ 2047ರ ಮುನ್ನೋಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು. 2047ರ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಸುಮಾರು 2000 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆಯೇ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕರಿಮೆಣಸು, ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ, ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡುವ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಚರಿತ್ರೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಬಲಿಷ್ಠವಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದರು.
That you've chosen me to come and deliver the first Nitte Vinaya Hegde oration. Speakers before me spoke fittingly and gloriously about the contribution of Vinaya Hegde, a multifaceted personality who believed in nationalism, who wanted our citizens to be responsible citizens. He just didn't sit and dream, he executed his dream through various educational institutions, especially with so many regulatory compliances that you have to follow. And to keep up that standard is not a small thing at all. So to have a vision, to execute it, and above all, direction or a guidance given by his father, who himself had contributed so much to this country, is with the bar set high, trying to compete and achieve. And the kind of words I've heard about Sri Vinaya Hegde makes me feel that so much is dependent on each one of us to emulate the work that he's done. And I recall the words of Honorable Prime Minister on the Red Fort when he said about how Vikasit Bharat is to be achieved with duties and responsibilities also, not just rights. So today our Indian citizens understand that it has got to be a massive yajna, like a very big activity which all of us will have to jointly undertake in building India to reach that level. And in that, each one of our contribution will be certainly important. And like one of the speakers, Captain I think, said, much before Vikasit Bharat became part of our language, our narration, our lexicon,
ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಿಧಾನಸಭೆಯ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಯುಟಿ ಖಾದರ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ವಿನಯ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆಯವರು ನೈಜ ಮಾನವತಾವಾದಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಭಾರತದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರುವುದು ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ. ಈ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
Today each one, every Indian should be proud of our country. We are much more ahead when you compare to others. Because when we see other countries like America, maybe France, they are 300-400 years they have got the independence. It's their time. They have got 200-300 years. And their population also is less. And they have not been invaded so many times by other countries also. But India is not like that. We are 140 crores of people. People live in tribes area, hill station, between the water, outside the ice. All this is there. And again, it is only 70 years or 75 years of independence what you just got. And when India were free, it was only 33 crores of the population. At that time, for this 33 crores people also, one time food was not available. I knew when my father was an MLA, I used to know that no one used to get rice also. At the 1975-76, no rice for the people of India. They used to get from the what were rejected Godi, they used to get from America to the port and that to be distributed to the people. But now, not only 140 crores get 3-day meal, I've got a capacity. India has a capacity to export our agriculture system to other countries also within the short period.
ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆಯವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ವಿನಯ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆಯವರ ಬದ್ಧತೆಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಿಟ್ಟೆಯಂತಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬೆಳೆದು ನಿಂತು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದರು.
You will pardon me for sitting down and talking because recently I had a setback in my head where the doctors have told me not to stand up and speak. I'm sure Mr. U.T. Khader is happy today, not because I am speaking. The last time when I fell down, he took the trouble of taking me to the hospital and stayed there until the doctors said that nothing more had happened to him, at least on that day. Today, of course, the function is being held in the hospital, so he need not worry about it. Well, I am very happy to be present in this function. Vinay Hegde and myself have been very close to each other, not only in our relationship, but also in our school days. We were together right up to the degree days and all.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸದರಾದ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಬ್ರಿಜೇಶ್ ಚೌಟಾ, ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಸಹಕುಲಪತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಂತರಾಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಕುಲಪತಿ ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ, ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎಂಎಸ್ ಮೂಡಿತಾಯ ಮೊದಲಾದವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ವಿದ್ಯಾಧರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ದಳಕಟ್ಟೆ.